So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to make your YouTube channel subscriptions public so that visitors to your YouTube channel can actually see which other channels you've subscribed to. So to do that, just go to youtube.com and sign in to your YouTube account, and then make sure you have the right channel selected. If not, just click on the profile icon and then go to switch account and make sure you select the correct YouTube account or channel, and then click on the profile icon again in the top right corner, and from the menu click on settings. On the main settings page, go to the left hand side panel and click on privacy. Under privacy, you should see keep all my subscriptions private. It's enabled by default, which basically means it's going to keep your subscriptions private by default. So to make them public, just turn that feature off. And that's it. You can now go back to the main homepage, and now your subscriptions will be public information to anyone visiting your channel. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.